If you've ever needed to change the currency in your GoDaddy store, this video will walk you through it step by step in a simple and quick way. Whether you're switching from USD to INR, EUR, or another supported currency, this is the exact process to update your store settings properly. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials just like this. First, go to GoDaddy.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're logging into the correct account that owns the website or store you want to update. Once you're inside your GoDaddy dashboard, look for the My Products section. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your websites, domains, and business tools in one place. Next, under Websites and Marketing, click Manage. This will open the website management area for the site connected to your store. From here, you need to locate the store option on the left-hand side. Click Store to open the store settings and product management area. Once you're in the store section, click Settings. This is where GoDaddy stores the configuration options for your online store, including regional settings and currency preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the Regional Info section. Inside that area, you should see the Currency option. Click on Currency and then select the currency you want to use for your store. For example, you can choose INR, USD, or EUR depending on your business location and the market you're selling to. Be sure to select the correct currency before saving because this setting affects how prices are displayed to your customers. After selecting your new currency, click Save. This stores your changes, but you're not completely done yet. To make sure the update actually goes live on your website, you also need to click Publish. Publishing applies the changes to your store, so visitors will see the updated currency format. And that's it. You've now changed the currency in GoDaddy successfully. It's a small update, but it can make a big difference if you're selling internationally or just want your store to match your local currency. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.